Hey there, you're in the right place if you want to learn Tears in Heaven by Eric Clapton, because I'm going to show you and I'm going to break it all down and make it so easy. There are a lot of inverted chords, but don't get hung up on that. Just learn the finger position, which I'm going to break it down step by step, and you can get the chord sheet for this. Check the link in the description. When you join my Patreon, you'll be supporting the channel, and there's lots of different tabs there. So check it out, it'll help a lot. This lesson was inspired by Gloria. So that's enough talking. Let's get to it. First off, we've got from the E string, open A string. What we're doing there is basically you're playing an A string. We're going to be using the second string, which is the B string, and the third string, which is the G string, a lot. Basically those are the two strings, and then the E, sixth string. So we're going to make an A using one finger. And you're going to pick the G string and you're going to hammer on the B. And hammer is exactly that, where you hammer in the string. So you pick it once and you hammer it. Then you're going to pick the G string again. So you might want to just sit and break this down, because there's going to be a lot of chords that you're not used to playing, but I'm going to break it down for you and show you step by step so you'll be able to play this song. But like, if this is tricky for you, just sit and do that over and over again. Then it goes to this chord here. This is an E chord with a G sharp in the bass, which, like I said, don't worry about it. Your second finger's on the E string on the 4th fret. Right below that, on the G string, is your third finger. On the 5th fret is your pinky on the B string. So it's going like this. So you're picking the B and G string after you make this chord. I use my first and second finger to pick those strings. So you pick them and then use your thumb on the E. So you pick the B and the G string, and then the E string. Pick it again, the B and the G. They move everything down to the 2nd fret. You stay on the same strings. You're going to move to the 2nd fret. So it's So after you play that twice, move your second finger and you're just going to be playing the B and G string and an open E string. Then we're going to go move your pinky to the 3rd fret of the B string. And we're picking the B and the G string and the open E string. Then you're putting your first finger on the G string at the 1st fret. Picking the B and G and the E. Then make an A chord. You're picking the B and G and the A with your thumb. All together, this is what we've got. Then you repeat that part. But when you get to this part, instead of going to here, you're going to go so it's third fret of the B, 2nd fret of the B, 1st fret of the G string, back to the 2nd fret of the B and G string, and then 3rd fret of the B string, 4th fret of the G. So it's and you're picking that low E string all the way. And then it goes into F sharp minor. Which, that's the easiest way to play this. Put your thumb on the 2nd fret, the E string. Your 2nd finger's on the G string on the 2nd fret, and right below it is your 3rd finger on the B string, 2nd fret. You're picking the same G and B. Then you're going to move your thumb to the 1st fret of the E string. Your 1st finger is on the 1st fret of the G. Your 3rd finger is on the 2nd fret of the B. Then you're going to remove everything except the 3rd finger of the B string. And then it's 2 on the E string, 3, 4 on the G, 2 on the B string. So it's So on this, you're covering the A string at the 2nd fret, your 3rd finger's on the G string on the 4th fret, and your 2nd finger's on the 3rd fret of the B string. So it's picking the A string, picking the B and G, and then open E string, and it starts over. So that's a lot right there. Like I said, I've got the tab for this, so it'll help you out a lot. Check the link in the description and be sure to watch the next video. Thanks.